My crazy green idea addresses not one but 3 grand challenges. These challenges are all connected and need to be addressed simultaneously. The first challenge is environmental. Climate change will influence human life and the Earth's biodiversity. The second challenge is the fact that the Earth's resources are finite, aggravated by increasing population growth. There are more than 6 billion people in the world already consuming 40% more resources than the Earth can provide on an annual basis. The third challenge, which emerged recently, is the global economic crisis, resulting in enormous uncertainty and discomfort. Rather than primarily focusing on technological solutions, my crazy green idea concentrates on changing behavior. New technologies are needed to overcome grand challenges, but the development, refining and proliferation of such technologies will take years. It is not enough to make plans for the longer term when so much has to be done right now. Concentrating on the demand side takes the shape of behavioural change, which is easier to manage and create if it involves a community. Awareness is essential but does not necessarily translate into action. What is needed is a completely different set of values. Currently, more is more. More money, more food, more clothes, bigger, better, brighter. A behavioural change will have to focus on reduce, reuse and recycle. My crazy green idea is to design a multimedia change campaign which not only raises awareness but motivates people to implement solutions. It should take into account that practical assistance is needed to turn awareness and motivation into action. Effectiveness cannot be assessed if measurements are not taken. The outcomes of the campaign must be measured both quantitatively and qualitatively, before, during, and after. This prize will help people understand the ecosystem called Earth and how they are altering it. It will ensure that the next generations are educated on what the challenges and solutions are. Rather than having a new way of living thrust upon them because of climate change, they can choose to live differently.